how to log in to Bank Dhofar online banking. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Bank Dhofar online banking. So first of all, you need to come to bankdhofar.com. It's the official website. You can just then click on online banking from here, or and then can click on personal banking service, commercial, corporate internet banking, personal internet banking. You can just click on personal internet banking from here, and after that you can just give your user ID and then log into your bank account. And you can also log in with your app. You can also log in with your app from your smartphone. So for that you have to go to Play Store and download the Bank Dhofar mobile banking. Like as you can see, it's the official mobile banking app. From here you can get it from Google Play, Apple Store, or Huawei Gallery. And after downloading it, you can just simply log in the same way I've already shown you. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.